Hi everyone, it's Michelle from A Noble Touch again, and here today we are going to do a wagon wheel. I purchased this at Family Farm and Home, which is like a feed store, like a tractor supply store in the area. And they had these cute wagon wheels. They had them in red, blue, the whitewash, and then the natural wood color. I wanted to do an Americana type wagon wheel. So what I picked up for this is some of the red, white, and blue with the rusty stars pipberry garland. I picked up 2 of those. This is just going to be a simple project, hopefully. And then I picked up an 18-inch metal star, and then I had a 12-inch red star, and I painted it true navy. It's acrylic color. I believe it was apple barrel from Walmart. I painted it the true navy, and then I hit it with the clear coat, and then I attached it to the white. I just glued in the center for right now. I'm going to have to drill a couple holes in here just so we can attach it to the bigger one to the wheel itself. So this is going to hopefully just be an easy, quick project. You can find the pipberry garland online. I got it at a local store, and it's called the Northwoods Outlet here in Michigan, in Pinconning, Michigan. And they just have some cool things in the store. But you can find this online, and I'll post links for where you can find it. What I'm going to do is attach the inside of the wheel, and I have a staple gun. So I'm going to use the staple gun and just staple this all along the inside of this wagon wheel. So we're going to get started. Hopefully I don't staple my finger into here. Wow, that was pretty nice and easy. And like I said, we're just going to keep going around with this. Oh, I missed that one. There we go. And then we'll come back when we're done. Okay, that was quick, simple, made short work. Now I ended up, using 2 of the garland, so I overlapped some. So the heavier of the pipberries you can put either at the bottom, just to give it a cradled effect, or you can, flip your star if you want the heavier pipberries at the top. So I think I'm going to keep it towards the bottom, but that's just a matter of your preference. And see, that's just cute right on its own. Anyway, so what I've done here is there is a hook on the back of this star right here. So I just took some of the brown floral wire, and all you have to do is just tighten it. And I'll probably hit it with glue too, just so it doesn't move. I'm just kind of overlapping it and trying to pull it through so it comes down on each side again. Ah, my hand's caught. Okay. And just twist that wire together. Right there, and I'm going to hit it with some glue so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to line this up here. I'm going to drill a hole right in here and attach. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. I went ahead and drilled holes here, here, and here through the blue star and to the cream star, and then I just took that rustic looking brown wire and pulled them through and twisted them in the back. And then that's our simple Americana, simple, easy wagon wheel. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's very quick, very simple, and it makes a great piece. So thanks for joining me. Again, make sure if you like this to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and then check me out on Etsy as well. So thank you so much for joining me again, and I hope you loved it. Have a great day.